All right. Good Wednesday morning. And you know what that means. Today is the day of oil. So I would expect a choppy morning till 10:30. Then we could look for something going on. Got a few indicators coming out. Mortgage rates, 8:30. Retail sales, pretty big. Export prices and import prices. And then they break down retail sales year over year, ex-autos, things like that. Industrial production, that's going to give us some insight. Production rises, put a little pressure on pricing, might help inflation a little. Reinforce what people are expecting to be a slight slowdown in the interest rates, or the raising of the interest rates, going back to 50 cents. Capacity utilization, then the Feds start talking, and then finally, around 10:30, we get the oil. And then we got a few Feds barking. And then jobless claims tomorrow. So keep your eyes open for all of that. Got it? Good. All right. So here we're looking at the S&P, and I don't know, man. I mean, we're trending up. We keep making higher lows, right? Did we do that here? We got 56.40, 53. Oh, we made a lower low. That's an engulfing bar, though, which is fairly positive. But, I mean, indecisive bars. It's the reality of it, indecisive bars. I feel as though, I mean, I don't see anything that I'm too excited about or want to get interested in. I feel as though we're grinding up to that 41. Maybe the case. Not much more I want to look at. Nothing really changed from yesterday. Things slowly grinding up. So you know what? I'm going to make this a short, sweet one. On that note, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 a.m. Well, really 9:15 when we get to trading. We got a few trades off yesterday. Made some money. We should do the same today. Catch you later.